He's one big button. My partner is going through much mental and emotional upheaval. He's quite angry. I feel like I can't reach him, and I don't trust his reactive nature. Communication is so hard. How to relate without pushing his buttons? Can you just be a presence? Can you just be like... Be the... be the opposite. Be the example of a different vibration to that. Be compassion. Be present with him. There's not a lot that you actually have to do in such a situation. Be supportive as much as you can, but if he needs space, give him space. And if he asks you to help, then help him. Don't be reactive like him. That's like the biggest thing. So if he's reactive when he's angry and all these things, don't give it back to him. Like don't get pulled in. The biggest thing like to take from all this, like be a presence for him and don't be pulled into whatever he's going through. And that's gonna be where you can start anytime if somebody has an issue. Because that way you can help him that he doesn't drown, but if you go with him, then you both drown. So first and foremost, don't drown with him in that emotional upheaval if it has nothing to do with you, and I'm guessing it doesn't. Communication is hard. Yeah, we're never learned. We are never taught this. We are never taught emotional management, because like we live in a world, we live in a time where emotions are like prehistoric thing. Like we have all this technology, but our body's technology is undiscovered. Emotions are technology. Emotion is technology. It's what gets like we don't understand it as a society. And nobody taught us communication with good emotions, with emotional awareness. And we get this from our parents, who were also idiots, emotionally. So yeah, just be there, be present. Don't take it personally for the majority of the things. Don't take them personally. Give him space. If he talks, just listen, and say, I understand, and I see you, I understand what you're going through, I know it's tough. Just hold his hand, and then that's enough. That's more than enough. When he struggles, if he talks to you, just hold his hand and look in his eyes and say, I get it. I get it. Acknowledge that he's in a tough state. Don't try to fix it, just hold his hand. When he comes at you and says, oh my god, this is happening to me, I'm angry about this and this, and I'm going through so much right now, and fuck that guy, and fuck the job, and whatever. And why is this happening to, or whatever it is, you know, maybe it really is hard. But maybe he just needs to see, like, that you maybe he just needs to be witnessed. Just hold his hand, or just hug him. Just come and hug him and don't say nothing, and breathe with him and hold his hand and look him in the eyes and say, I know, just I understand. I see that it's hard. I see that it's hard, and I'm there for you if you need me. And that's it. That's it. More often than not, that's enough. And I needed to learn that as well, because I also have this. Not only do I have an attitude that I can help everyone, but I can also see where I can help everyone, because I'm a projector in human design. I'm like yeah, I can see things on an energetic level and on a subconscious level in people. I can feel a lot of things, and then I just want to say, but look, this can be done, and that could be done, and you can take responsibility here, and you can take responsibility there. But people don't need that most of the time. They don't want to be told what they need to change. They just want to be, you know, just present. They just want somebody to acknowledge that they're suffering. And they know what they need to fix themselves. They just don't want to look at it. And then I come and I go, honey, but look, you're not looking at this. Look, why are you not addressing this? And then she gets even more emotional, and then I'm like, we're not getting anywhere. And then I just go, next time I just go, like, I get it. You're suffering, I understand. I'm here for you. And then she goes and does the thing on her own. And I'm like, alright, I have all these solutions for everything. But yeah, sometimes people just don't need that. And the thing is, like, we don't even sometimes know how to say what it is that it is troubling us. So maybe your husband doesn't need you to fix things, but everything he's talking about, it seems like he needs help, somebody to fix things for him. But he actually needs just contact, physical touch, a look, space to express himself. But we as humans, we don't know what we actually need, and if we do know what we need, we don't know how to express it to another person. We don't know how to say, I need you to listen to me. We don't know how to say, I need you to scratch my back for 5 minutes so I can feel soothed. I need the apartment for 2 hours to be on my own. And because we don't know how to express what we really want and need, it's, oh, you don't understand me, oh, you never listen. But maybe you never say what you really want. And we're just idiots. We're all just fucking idiots. And our parents were emotional idiots, and that's okay. We don't know what to do. And that's alright. We're all kids.